Hello out there. My name is Alan Gamble, and I work for the New York City Police Department. When people think of excitement, they think of the NYPD. You need proof? Just think of all the TV shows and movies based on our men and women in blue. NYPD Blue, Law & Order, New York Undercover, The Departed, CSI Miami. Come along with me on a journey up inside my butt. And believe me, there's a lot of room. Okay, wait. Seriously, who wrote this?
You saw the script. You approved
I did. I saw a different script than that.
I think it's a joke.
Okay, but you changed the prompter on me, and I'm not a professional actor, and I can't make adjustments, okay?
We'll fix it.
Being a police officer isn't always about running in the streets and chasing down perps. Sometimes it's about helping people and being a shoulder to cry on. You listen to the citizens, and then you try to make New York a better city for them. That's the job of a police officer. Hey, what? Wait, what footage are you showing? Is this the appropriate footage for what I just said?
It's nothing. Keep going.
What do you mean it's nothing?
It's nothing. It's just you. Just go. Keep going.
Okay, but I can I be honest? I don't feel supported right now.
Jesus Christ, Gamble. Just read the fucking teleprompter.
Hey, watch your mouth.
Shut up, Gamble.
You shut up! You shut up! I'm so fucking scared right now, you shut up!
Gamble, relax.
Are you doing this? No, I'm doing this.
Yeah, okay, relax.
I'm sorry. Can we just... You may even get a chance to do work undercover. Getting close to the criminals and putting their penises in your... Okay, you know, guys, I can appreciate a prank just as much as the next guy, but I'm starting to feel really taken advantage of.
Come on, Gamble.
NYPD is about family, friendship, and most importantly, justice. So if you want to start making a difference, become a police officer or detective for the NYPD and sign up today! Are we freeze framing on this?
Yeah, you gotta hold it.
Oh, I thought we discussed. I thought we were gonna actually do a freeze frame.
Yeah, no, this is how they do it. We gotta get 10 good
It's not.
seconds.
It's not an effect.
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can't move.
Okay. Are we gonna add music to this? Like some Prince? Something badass like Prince? Can you just fade it out my back?